Most men kill desire the moment they ask for intimacy. Because intimacy is never given to the man who needs it. It's offered to the man who doesn't. A Roman general was once asked by a noble woman, "Why don't you pursue women like the others?" He calmly replied, "I only chase what runs from wisdom." She leaned closer. She didn't argue. She chose him. That night, every man learned the same lesson. The man who doesn't beg, doesn't need to. Picture this. She's close, laughing. Her body is open. The tension is alive. The moment you ask, the power shifts. You become the boy seeking permission. But the man who embodies intimacy through presence, calm, and control never has to ask. Stoicism teaches, he who controls himself controls the situation. Led without words, through still eyes, a slow voice, movements that are certain, never rushed. Detachment is the real seduction, because the man who can walk away is the man she wants to pull closer. If you want her body, you chase. If you want her desire, you become. True seduction is silent strength, so magnetic. She chooses you.